Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways of playing the D major 7 chord. The first one, it's on the 7th fret. Lay the first finger over the 7th fret, pressing down 4 strings. The first string, second string, third and fourth string, like so. And then the third finger, place it on 9th fret, first string. D major 7. And the next variation, and the next D major 7 shape is on the 5th fret. This one. So lay your first finger over the 5th fret, pressing down all the strings, and your second finger will be on the 3rd string on the 6th fret, and your third finger will be on the 4th string and the 7th fret. 4th string, 7th fret, and your pinky finger will be on the 2nd string and 7th fret as well. And then the next shape is on the 2nd fret. This one. So the first finger will lay flat, covering 3 strings. First string, second and third string on the 2nd fret. And then your third finger will be on the 4th fret on the 4th string. 4th fret and 4th string. And a pinky finger will be on the 5th fret. Pinky finger will be on the 5th fret on the 5th string. It is a beautiful sounding chord. The top string will be mute. You just play the 5th string and all the strings below it. This one, this one, and this chord, the top string will be mute as well. The 6th string. So there you have it, the D major 7 chord. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated on new chords and videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.